Hey guys, so another hair tutorial, and I'm gonna show you how I achieve this nice color. Well, I basically put the highlights at the front. Back is still the natural color, and this hair I'm using is from Beafay. Yeah, this I guess that's how I pronounce Beafay, and I'm using Indian loose wavy in 2016, and I think it's a 16-inch closure. So first I'm gonna just bleach the knots of the closure. I'm gonna speed through this because I have so many videos showing you guys how I make my wigs, so I'm just gonna speed through. And then after I finish bleaching the closure, I'm gonna put it in some purple shampoo solution, and I'm gonna let that sit for I think I said it sit for like 20 minutes or even less. And then I went on and started to pluck hairline, to make it look natural. This video is mostly focusing on the color of the hair, so I'm not gonna go in details or talk too much about what I did. I just want to show you guys, include the clips of me, doing all this process. So just watch. When I get to the coloring part, I'll come back and explain everything. After I tweeze the hairline, then I move on to making the wig, and I just attach the lace frontal to my wig cap. And also I always go in with my tape measure to ensure that the frontal is the same length as my ear to hair measurement. So I always go in with my tape measure for that. And right here I'm just showing you how thick the wefts are. Like, I've never used any sort of hair with the weft that thick. It was really thick, and because of that I only used like 2.5 bundles of hair with the frontal. Normally I use all 3 bundles or 4 bundles, but the hair was really thick. I just started wearing this hair as well, so there's not much I can say more than what I've seen while I was doing the hair. And I wore it once already. I really love Indian texture hair because I don't know, there's something about it that's just different, and it's the volume and the movement is so nice, and it's low maintenance. So yeah, so I was just showing you guys how thick the weft is. So after that, then I go in and I start gluing my track as usual. You guys know, glue my track. After that, now I'm going to the coloring part. So I make 4 sections, 1 to the front, 2 to the sides, and 1 to the back. And for the sides, I part out 2 sections going slanted in a slanted direction or angled direction. This is gonna allow the hair to look like I color most of the hair, or all of the hair is colored, but technically only the top portion of your hair is colored. The back is still natural. So I learned this technique from Makeba, I think that's her name, Makeba. I'm gonna put her information in the description, but I'm gonna link the video that I watched to learn this technique, and I just followed through. This was my first time doing it. So yeah, so I did that parting, and then I started out from the front. And what I did, I took 1.5 inch sections, and then I did the weaving method, where weaving method is like picking hair from the top going down. It's like waves, so you're picking up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down. And then the top part of the hair that's up, you're gonna back comb that and then bleach that part and leave the other part that's downwards. I hope that makes sense. You're not gonna bleach that. That's gonna allow the hair to have some dimension, and when you back comb the hair, that's gonna make the color transition nicely, and you won't have any harsh line. It's just gonna flow very nice. And yeah, so that's what I did for all of the sections. and then after I let that sit for 35 minutes, and then I went in and I washed it out with some purple shampoo, and I let the purple shampoo sit for around 15 minutes, and then I wash it out, and I use my silicone mix and let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I wash it out. And these are the results from my coloring technique. This is my first time doing this technique, and I really love it. I think I'm going to start doing this technique because I really love the result that it gives. And yeah, so I'm going to have all the information about this hair, the company, in the description bar. So if you want to know it, it's going to be there. I'm going to do a second review and let you guys know how the hair is keeping up and stuff. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and take care. See you in my next one. Bye.